Does that all make?
Yes, I do.
Yes, go for it, Jenny. Go, go.
Well, I'm on my Cookidoo website on my phone
Yeah.
because you're on my iPad,
Yep.
but I've got Cookidoo up on my thermo as well.
Yep.
Um, and
They all look different.
it's giving me recipes in every other languages. Um,
Is that in collections?
oh, maybe,
Yeah.
maybe I'm in
So collections,
collections.
collections is the only thing that's really confusing. For some reason, they haven't fixed that. When you go to collections, it shows you in all the languages, and I wish it didn't. But if you click on Australia, let me go to here. Sorry, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to
Okay.
click in again so that I get this up. And you go to collections. Here, see, it says it's got everything in all different languages.
Yeah.
So the way to stop that, you can actually go into this filter area and click on filters again, and then go down and click in Australia. And now there's only 11. There's 11 ebooks, but they're all in English because it's Australian. Does that
Oh,
make
yeah.
so I'm on the Cookidoo website. And the way that I know that I'm on the Cookidoo website is, see up here, you can see the URL. So this is in Chrome. I'm using the Chrome uh, dashboard, operating system. So this has got up here the URL, and it tells me that I'm on the website. Now I'm just going to open Cookidoo as an app. All right, looks pretty much the same, but this is Cookidoo as an app. Now, you can download the app to any device. You can download it to your phone, you can download it to your iPad, you can download it to your laptop, PC. They all look a little bit different. Now, over the last maybe 8 weeks or so, these have looked really different. And this is what's been confusing people. I think the way it's been explained to me, my husband's in IT, so this sort of makes sense. Um, a lot of companies are moving from websites to apps. Even Facebook is doing it. And I don't know if you've noticed, they've asked you to use the app instead of the Facebook website. And the reason why they're doing that, I believe, this is what my husband has sort of said, is when you have all different people using different devices. So you've got Apple, you've got Samsung, you've got Chrome as a browser, you've got Safari as a browser. They all require different languages, if you like. So what happens is you can have someone having a bug using an iPad because they're using Safari, and someone else using an iPad, but they're using Chrome. So it's confusing for the developers because everybody's using a different device. So what they're doing is, instead of having a website that actually complicates it even more, they're creating apps. So they're creating apps that you can download to your device that use less languages, if you like. So in the initial stages, what that tends to do is it makes it more complicated for us because we're sort of looking at it and they look so different. But as time goes on, I think what will happen is the apps will actually be more powerful than what the website is because they can do more things with them and know that people are going to have the same thing. Does that make sense? Sort of a bit clear as mud, maybe. But yeah, so about 8 weeks ago, this app, this Cookidoo app, looked so different to the Cookidoo website. They're getting closer and closer together. You'll see that the menu button is over here, but you see that it has the same buttons to click now than what it did before. I hope that makes sense. But if you have any problems, just sing out. Like I'm always around. So yeah, we can have a look.